What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're here with Miss Spark Hopper here at Smoked Southern Barbecue over at St. Augustine in the Fountain of Youth, right? Fountain of Youth, and we're gonna be eating some good old Southern barbecue. We just finished walking around the park and we're hungry. We're about to grab a bite and see how this barbecue joint is. So in case you guys are ever in town, you can come in, park for free, and have some barbecue. It's a little peacock. And here's the nice front here. So you order there. And they have sangria, soft serve ice cream, coffee. And they have this little sitting area. Let's go check the menu out. So here's the menu. And this is what I would go for. Smoked barbecue platters. Comes with baked barbecue beans, coleslaw, and house pickled red onions. But they do have different lunch baskets and sandwiches and salads, starters, all that good stuff. So here we got some fresh brewed iced tea. This is sweet tea, right? You could tell they make it here.
Yeah.
It tastes like...
Yeah, she said that it was homemade.
Oh, it is homemade, yep. You like it? Guys, this is intense. Look at those nuggets. These are corn nuggets, right?
Yeah.
So she said it comes with about 20 nuggets with ranch dip. So here's the coleslaw. Looks nice. The baked beans fresh. Ooh. Look at the barbecue too. The barbecue pork. A nice amount. This was 12 bucks for this platter right here. They gave you the sauces, they give you the bread, they give you the coleslaw, the beans, and then this was $8.50 for $8.50. My goodness. And we're eating outdoor, enjoying
Beautiful weather.
the beautiful weather of St. Augustine. So full disclaimer, guys, I know it may not look like it, man. We like to eat out at these places that we go to. For the most part, I always get healthy selections, but we just couldn't pass this opportunity to try it out. So we don't eat fried food throughout the week or throughout the month unless we're out doing something like this. So this is for you guys. This is the sacrifice we're making for you guys. Tell me it's not delicious. Let me get one for a close-up. Oh my God, so crispy, so golden, so delicious. Dunk it in the ranch, dunk it in the ranch, show them. Wow. How is it? How is it?
Amazing.
Look at that, with real corn too. Oh man. Let me see the coleslaw, let me see that coleslaw. Here we go. Oh, spilled over. Got a little disaster incoming. Oh. It tastes fresh, it's good. You taste coleslaw somewhere else, the first thing that comes to mind is like, this is not KFC, but it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be homemade. All right, go for it.
That's good barbecue.
Hit me.
It's good, right? It's really good.
Wow.
Alright, so now let's get some barbecue sauce dipped all over. You gotta record this though.
Sauce it up. You could tell it's smoked. It has that smoked flavor. Wow. The price is right. The taste is great. Wow. Oh my goodness. I didn't think it was gonna be that good, I'm not gonna lie. So like a savage, I already got a little taste of it, but come on baby, let's go. They're waiting for the taste test.
Blow. Good.
It is so good.
I don't even like these beans.
Yeah, she doesn't like these beans.
But these are good.
So one more shot before we end up eating it all. This place is a massive win. If you guys are ever in St. Augustine, you want some Southern barbecue, head on over to Smoked over here by the Fountain of Youth. It will rejuvenate you for sure. Oh man. And here while we're eating, we got a little trolley passing by with the tour guide. So we ended up having some corn nuggets left over. We wrapped it and put it away, but we obviously had so much food, and this is what the disaster ended up looking like. All right, so what do you think overall? Oh, and we got a refill. 10
out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Price, taste.
It was like 23 bucks. We left a little tip, and let me tell you, it was outstanding. We even told them, hey, this is some of the best barbecue we've had.
Like, we would drive the 6 hours to come
I know.
here.
We would drive, go to one of the other little museums they have out here, and have a nice little lunch. It was that good. I enjoyed it. I mean, for the price, for the taste, and everything we ended up trying out, it was just, they hit it out the park, honestly. All right, so you come in through over there, and the first building right here, Smoked Southern Barbecue. Right there it is. And there's the entrance for the Fountain of Youth. Grab your Southern barbecue food here. Well worth it.